Armstrong Air is the professional's choice in home heating and cooling, including oil and gas furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, package units and air handlers. Code E105. Result: device communication problem. No other devices on RS bus, communicating systems only. Fix: equipment is unable to communicate, indicates numerous message errors. In most cases errors are related to electrical noise. Make sure high voltage power is separated from RS bus. Check for miswired or loose connections between the stat indoor unit and outdoor unit. Check for a high voltage source of noise close to the system. Fault clears after communication is restored. Code E110. Result: low line voltage. Fix: line voltage low, voltage tower than nameplate rating. Check power line voltage and correct. Alarm clears 5 seconds after fault recovered. Code E111. Result: line voltage polarity reversed. Fix: reverse line power voltage wiring. System resumes normal operation 5 seconds after fault recovered. Code E112. Result: ground not detected. Fix: system shuts down. Provide proper earth ground. System resumes normal operation 5 seconds after fault recovered. Code E113. Result: high line voltage. Fix: line voltage high, voltage higher than nameplate rating. Provide power voltage within proper range. System resumes normal operation 5 seconds after fault recovered. Code E114. Result: line voltage frequency out of range. Fix: number 60 Hz power. Check voltage and line power frequency. Correct voltage and frequency problems. System resumes normal operation 5 seconds after fault recovered. Code E115. Result: low 24 volts. Fix: 24 volt power high, range is 18 to 30 volts. Check and correct voltage. Check for additional power robbing equipment connected to system. May require installation of larger VA transformer to be installed in furnace. Air handler. Clears after fault recovered. Code E116. Result: high 24 volts. Fix: 24 volt power high, range is 18 to 30 volts. Check and correct voltage. Check for proper line voltage 0.120 volts, 240 volts etc. to equipment. Clears when control senses proper voltage. Code E117. Result: poor ground detected, warning only. Fix: provide proper grounding for unit. Check for proper earth ground to the system. Warming only will clear 30 seconds after fault recovered. Code E120. Result: unresponsive device. Communicating systems only. Fix: usually caused by delay in outdoor unit responding to indoor unit polling. Recycle power. Check all wiring connections. Cleared after unresponsive device responds to any inquiry. Code E124. Result: active communicating thermostat signal missing for more than 3 minutes, communicating systems only. Fix: equipment lost communication with the thermostat. Check 4 wiring connections, ohm wires, and cycle power at the thermostat. Alert stops all services and waits for heartbeat message from thermostat, subnet controller. Cleared after valid thermostat, subnet. Message is received. Code E125. Result: control failed self-check. Internal error. Failed hardware. Will restart if error recovers. Integrated control not communicating covers hardware errors, flame sense circuit faults, pin shorts, etc. Fix: hardware problem on the control. Cycle power on control. Replace if problem prevents service and is persistent. Cleared 300 seconds after fault recovered. Code E126. Result: control internal communication problem. Fix: hardware problem on the control. Cycle power on control. Replace if problem prevents service and is persistent. Cleared 300 seconds after fault recovered. Code E131. Result: corrupted control parameters, verify configuration of system. Communicating systems only. Fix: reconfigure the system. Replace control if heating or cooling is not available. Only applicable in the communicating mode, not in startup, exit from commissioning and execute SAE plus factory default mode. Control will still operate on default parameter settings. Code E180. Result: outdoor air temperature sensor failure, only shown if shorted or out of range, communicating systems only. Fix compare outdoor sensor resistance to temperature resistance charts in unit installation instructions. Replace sensor pack if necessary. At beginning of .any configuration. Furnace or air handler control will sense outdoor air and discharge air temperature sensor, S. If detected, reading in range. Appropriate feature will be set as installed and that could be seen in About screen. In normal operation after control recognizes sensors. Alarm will be sent if valid temperature reading is lost, to get rid of setting an alarm. Redo configuration and make sure that temperature sensor is marked as not installed in indoor unit About screen. When indoor unit control is replaced, thermostat will tell new control if temperature sensor is in system or not. Clears 30 seconds after fault recovered. Code E200. Result hard lockout rollout circuit open or previously open. Fix correct cause of rollout trip or replace flame rollout switch. Test furnace operation. Cleared after fault recovered. Code E201. Result indoor blower. Communication failure. Unable to communicate with blower motor. Fix indoor blower communication failure including power outage. Lost communication with indoor blower motor. Possible causes motor not powered. Loose wiring. Problem may be on control or motor side. Cleared after fault recovered. Code E202. Result indoor blower motor mismatch. Indoor motor horsepower does not match unit capacity. Fix incorrect appliance capacity code selected. Check for proper configuring under unit size code for furnace. Air handler on configuration guide or in installation instructions. Cleared after the correct match is detected following a reset. Remove thermostat from system while applying power and reprogramming. Code E203. Result appliance capacity size is not programmed. Invalid unit codes. Refer to configuration flowchart. Fix no appliance capacity code selected. Check for proper configuring under unit size codes for furnace on configuration guide or in installation instruction. Critical alert cleared after valid unit code is read following a reset. Remove thermostat from system while applying power and reprogramming. Code E204. Result gas valve mis wired. Fix check gas valve operation and wiring. Clears when repaired control. Code E205. Result gas valve control relay contact shorted. Fix check wiring on control and gas valve. If wiring is correct, replace control. Code E206. Result gas valve second stage relay failure. Fix furnace will operate on first stage for remainder of the heating demand. Will clear after fault recovered. If unable to operate second stage, replace control. Code E207. Result hot surface igniter sensed open. Refer to troubleshooting. Fix measure resistance of hot surface igniter. Replace if open or not within specified range found in 10 m. Resumes normal operation after fault is cleared. Code E223. Result low pressure switch failed open. Fix check pressure, inches WC of low pressure switch closing on heat call. Measure operating pressure, inches WC. Inspect vent and combustion air inducer for correct operation and restriction. Resumes normal operation after fault is cleared. Code E224. Result low pressure switch failed closed. Refer to troubleshooting. Fix check pressure, inches WC of low pressure switch closing on heat call. Measure operating pressure, inches WC. Inspect vent and combustion air inducer for correct operation and restriction. Resumes normal operation after fault is cleared. Code E225. Result high pressure switch failed open. Refer to troubleshooting. Fix check pressure, inches WC of high pressure switch closing on heat call. Measure operating pressure, inches WC. Inspect vent and combustion air inducer for correct operation and restriction. Resumes normal operation after fault is cleared. Code E226. Result high pressure switch failed closed. Refer to troubleshooting. Fix check operation of high pressure closing on heat call. Measure operating pressure, inches WC. Inspect vent and combustion air inducer for correct operation and restrict I/O. Resumes normal operation after fault is cleared.